Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to make a free Wix website, or I will give you a full review on Wix website. So this is very easy to make a website through Wix because Wix provides you all the tools through which you can make a website very easily. Wix also provides very easy tools which are very good to use and through which you can make a website in just a minutes. So it has many templates through which you can make a website, very energetic. So let's start how to make a website through Wix. So let me open a window. I will go on Google and I will search here how to make free Wix website or full review on Wix website. Let me search. As I put it the search in the Google bar, it gives some results, and the results give you many websites through which you can make a Wix website, and you can learn how to make a website through Wix. So I have many websites which are opened here. Here are on the top. The website is the website tool tester, and this website is generally give you review about Wix, how you can make a website through Wix. This is the first website which where you can see the menus, where you can learn about the Wix website, how you can create small websites through Wix. So this is the first website on the search. Let me scroll down as we go below. Here is next the main website is there, which is the Wix.com. Wix.com is a website maker tool website. This gives you many easy tools through which you can make a website in a short time, in short minutes, and you can make a very customized website through Wix.com. As we go more below, there is a YouTube profile how to make a free website with Wix in 1 hour. Here is the tutorial through which you can also learn how to make a website through website, and Wix gives you free website in 1 hour. So as below we go, we see more tutorials. Wix tutorial for beginners 2020 full tutorial. Here is the more tutorials. So to make website through Wix, there are many tutorials on the YouTube also. So you can make free Wix website by learning these tutorials, by seeing these tutorials. You should see these tutorials. In these tutorials, everybody tells you step by step how you can make a free Wix website. Okay, and you can learn very easily. Here is the next again how to add testimonials and review to your Wix website. Here is the more easy method. In this video, the teacher will tell you how to make a free Wix website. You can add testimonials and reviews to your Wix website. Let me go more down. Here is the more websites. Like this is the website sport.wix.com. Free versus premium site help center wix.com. This will tell you how to make. This will tell you the difference between a free website and a premium website. As you go on the Wix website, you can see there are two options. One option is you can make free website, and there are less tools uh, provided to make website. And here in premium version, you have to pay some amount in dollars to make a premium website. And premium and free website have many very big difference. Premium website is a very energetic website, and free website have some difference. Some tools are lacking in free website, free version of the Wix, and in premium site, Wix will give you premium tools through which you can make a very good website. Good look website, good SEO friendly website by Wix.com. So let me go more down, scroll down. Next is the website builderexpert.com. This is also a Wix related website. This will give you tells you 7 important things 2021. This will give you review about Wix. Okay, you can see there are 7 important things. As you open this website, you will see many important things in which they will tell you about the Wix, that how much easy Wix is, and how you can make a free website through Wix. So next we go. Next one more website is there, Wix review. 7 pros and cons of Wix website builder Bitcatcher. In this on this website, they will tell you the benefits and disadvantages and disadvantages of the Wix website. That how you can make a free website through Wix, and what benefits you will get after making the website through Wix, and what disadvantages you will get after making the website through Wix. Which factors you can face after making the website through Wix. Next is a website which is a stylefactoryproducts.com, and this is also a review about the Wix. Here you can also see some pros and cons, pros and cons, some benefits and some disadvantages. And this will also tell you about the advantages and the disadvantages of the Wix website. Does Wix have all the functionality I need for my website? Wix is a cloud-based service that lets you design and build your own website, or is described by Wix as constituting the full suite and provides more genders. So in this, he is telling you that Wix.com have all the functionality which you require for your website. Can you make your website through Wix? Free website you can make through Wix. So as he is telling you, Wix is a cloud-based service and that lets you design and build your own website. Okay, and is described by Wix as constituting the full suite and provides more genders. As we scroll down, there is one more website, shivarweb.com. It also gives you review about Wix. So here are 11 pros and cons of using Wix for your website. It will also give you 11 benefits and 11 disadvantages as you make a free website through Wix. So and generally, all these websites are telling you the benefits, advantages, and disadvantages of the making free website through Wix. So let me down more down. Here is one more website, themeslay.com. How to make a website with Wix, your step-by-step guide. And this is a website which will guide you how to make a free website through Wix. And through Wix, you can make a desktop websites, desktop using websites, and many other websites. So you can make a free website through Wix. Wix make a free website by Wix. So Wix gives you many functionality and many premium and non-premium functionalities to make a good website for your use. Let us go more down. There is a next website which is a www.fullychargedmedia.com. So this is telling you 5 reasons now to use Wix for your website. A brief Wix. So this website will tell you that why you should not use Wix platform to make your website. Generally, when you make a free website through Wix, you are using the cloud platform of the Wix. So, in a reality, you are using the Wix platform, and this will give you some problems in SEO, because the platform which is used is the Wix platform, which is not good for the websites. So, but this if a person does not have a budget to make a website, he does not have a hosting, he does not have a domain, he can make free website by using this tool of Wix.com. By Wix.com, you can make many free websites on a daily basis, and it will not take much time of you. It will take less time of you to make a free Wix website, and this will gives you more functionality, as we discussed early, that Wix.com will gives you many premium tools and many non-premium tools. If you purchase its premium version, you can get premium tools through which you can make a very customized website. But if you use this non-premium version, you can get the non-premium website tools, through which you can make many websites in just a minutes, in just hours. You can make many best websites. So this is all from me for today. That I have told you, you can see many websites on the Google, which will tell you how to make a free website, or gives you full review on a Wix website. Okay, many websites give you step by step guide how to make a free website, Wix website. And many websites also told you that its benefits and advantages and disadvantages to make a website by Wix.com. So it based on you. You can decide that you want to use this and you want to not use the Wix.com to make a free Wix website, or you can take full review on Wix websites. So this is the all from today from my tutorial. And if you have learned much, please share this video and subscribe my channel. And I will also recommend you to make a free Wix website. If you don't have hosting, you don't have domain, then go on Wix.com and make your free website. Thank you very much.